We all live in a watershed, but many people don't even know what a watershed is or its purpose. As a member of our society, I have become very concerned with how incredibly dirty our watershed and our water in general has become. We are all responsible for how dirty our water has become, but we are also the ones who can fix that problem, so that we can have cleaner water to drink and do other things with. I am here to point out the importance of watersheds to us humans and how we can help our watersheds as well as ourselves. You're probably wondering what a watershed is anyways. A watershed is the total land and underground area that supplies water, sediment, and dissolved materials into a stream. Rain and snowfall on land eventually soak into the ground or run off into ditches, streams, rivers, creeks, and even oceans to contribute to our watershed. A watershed can be as big or as small as the ditch that drains water running off the street by your house. Here in Sedalia, we just happen to live in multiple watersheds. We live in the Lamine watershed, the Missouri River watershed, the Mississippi watershed, and the Pearl River watershed. So why are they so important to us then? Well, watersheds are our source of water that we do everything. We all drink water, we all cook with it, bathe in it, and we also clean with water. It is always very important to keep our water clean. We humans cannot live without water. Plants and animals need water to live as well. It also provides habitats for many species. And also, water is necessary to grow crops. Now, there are a lot of things that affect our watershed. There are several human things, for example, littering, dumping chemicals into the water, and also our raw sewage just being dumped in the water. There are also natural things that happen that damage our watersheds. There's runoff from streets, soil buildup, our grass clippings and leaves blowing into the water, and stormwater pollution. If you don't know what stormwater pollution is, it is the water that runs down the street when it's raining. Stormwater enters into the storm drains and ends up in our watershed. Water that flows down the street when it's not raining, like washing your car for example, is called urban runoff, which is also bad. After stormwater and urban runoff flow into the storm drains, they drain off into the nearest source of water so as not to flood our streets. That means any pollutants in that runoff end up in our water source. These pollutants can be things such as dirt, your leaves, your grass clippings, your trash, your or anybody else's litter, any pesticides that anybody sprays, anybody's pet waste, and anybody's chemicals that they just dump. So what can we do to protect our watershed? Well, for starters, don't litter. Please take care of your trash. And instead of just dumping your chemicals, dispose of them and your other harmful substances properly. Also, keep your grass clippings and your leaves out of the street. Dispose of those properly as well. Conserve your water. That helps a great amount. So take shorter showers. Turn off the water when you're not using it, and try to only use what you need. One last thing that you can do is get involved in your society. Join a group. Like here in Sedalia, we have the No Mo Trash program, and you can help with cleanups. I know they do cleanups a lot. If you see litter on the ground, take the time to pick it up and throw it away properly. Don't just leave it there. In your house, you can recycle the things that you can that can reduce landfill waste. And also, planting trees, bushes, and flowers. Plants lower the impact of raindrops on soil and slow the speed of water flowing across the land, which also allows more water to go into the soil. In order for us to protect and improve our water quality in our watershed, we have to pick up after ourselves. You are the one who can make a difference. So as to recap, watersheds are important to us for many reasons. We drink from them, we cook with the water from them, we bathe with the water from them, we also clean with the water from watersheds. Nothing can survive without water, so keep it clean. I came here today to inform you as to what is the importance of watersheds and why we need to keep it clean. Remember, water quality affects everyone, so do what you can to keep it clean. Thank you and have a great day.